In this tutorial, I will be focusing on this question: how do I start making money with SEO? This video provides some different ways to make money with SEO and create passive income online. So if you want to learn how to boost your income with some powerful SEO monetization methods to create an income online, keep watching. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I'll then create more content for you. Thank you. Let's start. Method number 1. Sell SEO consulting and freelance services. Plenty of businesses are willing to pay SEO professionals to help them rank for keywords that their target audience searches for online. Whether it's a local business selling flowers or a tech company selling data management software, ranking for keywords that potential customers search on Google, as an example, best flower delivery in Austin, Texas, or best data management solutions, is incredibly valuable. You can operate as a solo SEO consultant or freelancer and do the work yourself, or you can build an agency and hire others to execute your SEO process. Some services that you might offer include SEO audits, link building, content marketing, and technical SEO optimizations. If you're starting your SEO career, pick one service and then add other services as you become more confident in your abilities. It's also a good idea to niche down and specialize in a particular industry such as SaaS, local businesses, and e-commerce, as businesses are often willing to pay more for a specialist. You can also do SEO for podcasting, YouTube, and Amazon, as ranking at the top of those search engines is also extremely valuable. If you create an agency, the key to success is establishing repeatable systems and processes that make it easy for an employee to implement and generate the same results for all your clients. Identify your target market. Whether you're offering complete SEO packages or shorter consultations, many SEO agencies and experts benefit from targeting a specific market. While general SEO principles apply across industries, focusing on a particular target market helps reach potential clients more effectively. Start by determining whether you'll target B2B or B2C businesses. Then choose a specific industry. To help you decide on a target market, consider doing market research. Look up the best SEO agencies available and evaluate their target market. Alternatively, research keywords using tools like Ahrefs and Google Trends. Higher volume keywords usually indicate higher demands for specific services. When conducting market research, look for the following information: industry competition. Evaluate the challenges of starting an SEO company in the industry and determine how your service can help. Customer lifetime value. Industries with high profit margins like real estate and car dealerships let you justify higher pricing based. On the other hand, industries with higher customer lifetime value like gyms and insurance firms let you justify your costs against customer transactions over time. The cost. Determine the rate of the average SEO services in the industry. Ensure the businesses you target can reasonably afford your services. Networking. Establishing yourself in the industry is easier if you have connections who can introduce you to prospective clients. Once you have determined your target market's big picture, segment your prospective clients. Whether you're targeting local businesses or individual site owners, evaluate their demographics, interests, behaviors, location, income level, and goals. Then categorize them into separate segments. Segmenting helps determine what services they'll need and how much they can spend. It will also help identify their goals and pain points. This allows you to develop personalized services and communication strategies that work in their favor. As a result, you can successfully help them bring more organic search traffic and conversions. Method number 2. Sell productized SEO. If you want to work with clients but don't like the idea of long-term engagements, you can productize your SEO services. For example, you can offer an SEO strategy package that includes a technical audit, keyword research, a content marketing strategy, and a link building strategy. Then you give this data to the client and they are responsible for the execution. So unlike SEO services, these engagements might take you a week or two to complete and then you part ways with that client. Productized services are the solution to such obstacles for many businesses, ranging from freelance freelancers and consultants to agency owners. This service model lets people who run agencies work as freelancers or provide consulting services to charge for their work in a different way. Instead of charging based on the number of hours worked or the specific projects complete, they charge for a package of services they provide. Scalability is the primary advantage of productized services. Productizing services helps you to clearly define their scope, which enables you to develop a streamlined process of delivery. This helps you to handle a larger client base without a proportional increase in effort and also fosters business growth as well as expansion. Productized services make it easy to streamline the sales process. With a well-established service offering and pricing, potential clients are presented with an overview of the products they are being offered and their corresponding services. This clarity eliminates the need for extensive negotiation and simplifies the business process. Productized services enable you to easily predict your revenue stream. Earnings can be anticipated once each project is complete, as the deliverables and their upfront prices are clearly outlined. This improves financial planning and stability, as the uncertainty associated with variable projects, durations, or rates are eliminated. SEO optimization service is a great example of a productized service. This productized service allows businesses to improve their online visibility and organic search rankings. The SEO optimization service can be offered as a comprehensive package that includes keyword research, on-page optimization, and backlinking building, all at a fixed price. Let me tell you about the pros of this model. It has less client management than providing services. There is an immediate cash flow and no overhead to get started. You aren't responsible for a drop in rankings or other problems that crop up with the website, and often it is 100% profit margins. If at any point you're looking for support and training in digital marketing, then I recommend you check out the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. Just click the link in the description box below this video. Method number 3. Create an affiliate website. If you have a website with an audience, you can partner with other businesses that want to sell their products and services to your audience. These businesses give you a link, and anytime someone from your website clicks on that link and purchases the product, you receive a sale commission. This business model is called affiliate marketing, and it's an easy way for you to make money selling products and services to your audience without handling customer success or fulfillment. In fact, it's like influencer marketing, though all of your revenue is based on commission, and you also don't have to have a personal brand behind the website. Identify your niche. To start an affiliate marketing website, you must identify your niche and target audience. The following steps will help you choose a niche. Consider your expertise and interests. More experienced affiliate marketers will usually choose a niche solely on commission rates and products available. But when creating your first affiliate site, you may want to choose something closer to home. Choosing a niche that you are knowledgeable about makes it easier to create relevant content yourself and stay interested. Let's say you love fishing and are well versed in everything related to the topic. You are relatively knowledgeable about the different types of fishing rods, fishing gear, required permits and licenses. Fishing becomes a great niche that you can focus on. The key is choosing a niche you are interested in but not your life's greatest passion. If you're too invested, handling the ropes over to writers and editors down the line will be difficult. This is something you will need to do to scale your affiliate site. Do research to find popular niches. Now you've considered which niches you're interested in, you need to consider other factors like if they are seasonal, are highly competitive, and offer the opportunity to scale in the long term. A niche that is too broad may drive lots of traffic but will often have much lower conversions. Likewise, for a niche that is too specific, it will be hard to scale up over a number of years, as there simply may not be enough topics to cover. Perform a competitor analysis. Once you have identified a possible niche, you need to understand what sites are already out there and whether you can compete with them. That is where competitor analysis comes in. By conducting competitor analysis, you can learn what works and what doesn't in the chosen niche. Find niche competitors' weaknesses and capitalize on them. You can find competitors' strengths and replicate them. You can understand what SEO tasks to prioritize going forward. Understand how difficult outperforming competitors on the SERPs, which is the search engine results pages is likely to be. This can give you a solid plan as well as some inspiration to get you started. Choosing a niche with a high profit potential is essential. Remember, it costs you the same to produce content for your site, regardless of the prices of the products you are promoting. Method number 4. Offer sponsored content. Many branded and personal bloggers monetize their audiences by allowing other brands to create and publish sponsored posts on their websites. Many brands will also be happy to pay for guest posts if you allow them to insert a link to their website, as backlinks are valuable for improving domain authority. Sponsored content is a type of promotional media that's paid for by an advertiser but created and shared by another brand, influencer or publisher. This type of content is most engaging when you sponsor a company or influencer who targets your core audience and already discusses topics that align with your brand. When this is done right, any mention of your brand feels like a natural fit rather than an invasive advertisement. Instead of thinking they just saw an advertisement, audiences should come away from sponsored content feeling like they've learned something interesting. This makes your brand look more credible, memorable, and most importantly, trustworthy. When it comes to branded or sponsored content, trust is a major factor that engages potential customers. In fact, when marketers sponsor content from a trusted publisher, they see a 50% higher brand lift than marketers who make their own content. As branded and sponsored content gains steam, research continues to show that marketing your product with quality content can be incredibly effective. In fact, content marketing gets 3 times more leads than paid search advertising. Native ads and sponsored content are both designed to look like they naturally belong on a web page. However, a native ad is paid for and created by the advertiser themselves, while an advertiser pays another brand to produce and distribute sponsored content. When working with a sponsor to create interesting and compelling content, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Aim to sponsor content that attracts and delights your audience. If it's enjoyable, they'll continue to consume it and potentially click on your links. When looking for the content creator, choose a company, influencer or publisher with a similar audience or mission. If people see an endorsement or sponsored post from an entity they trust, they'll be more aware of a product and more likely to buy it. This will also make any plugs or product mentions feel less like an ad. Work with the sponsor to pick a topic that aligns with your goals and your audience's interests. For example, if you're a makeup company, sponsoring an influencer's tutorial that highlights your products might be beneficial. Focus on creating engaging content first and product plugs second. If your content feels like it's solely advertising a product, people might tune out. Sponsor content that goes beyond blog formatting. Be sure to consider videos, photos and podcasts. These 3 areas are gaining more and more interest from marketers and consumers alike. Sponsored content can allow you to reach new audiences and gain valuable trust from prospective customers. But unlike native ads, you don't have to sacrifice your team's bandwidth to create it. As you start looking for someone to sponsor, keep an eye out for people or brands that align with your mission and feel like a natural fit. Method number 5. Rank and rent pages. While some business owners pay for SEO services to optimize their websites, others simply want immediate leads. So if you can create a website that ranks for a keyword the business wants to rank for, they'll often simply pay you to rent that ranking website to generate leads. Let me tell you about the pros of this business model. It has high profit margins, there is minimal client management, and you have complete control over the SEO strategy. Method number 6. Grow and flip websites. As SEO is a long game, it can take years for a website to rank for its desired keywords. Many businesses prefer to purchase existing websites with quality content, backlinks, and a decent amount of traffic for their target keywords. Many of these buyers will then create and sell their own products on these websites or redirect your website to one of their existing websites to increase its traffic and authority. The key to growing and flipping a website is building a solid foundation with room for more growth and monetization. To ensure your website is flippable, here are a few tips. Use a branded domain name. Select a niche with room for expansion and growth, and use primarily white hat growth strategies to show steady growth. When you're ready to sell your website, you can use a marketplace like Quiet Light Brokerage, Flipper, or FE International to list and sell your website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one strategy or method from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. So the next thing to do, if you want to accelerate your learning even further and develop your digital skills, make sure you go and click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School website, the UK's leading internet marketing training provider. They offer a range of comprehensive courses covering all aspects of digital marketing. They will give you all the training, skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you are interested in that, which I hope you are, just click the link in the description box under the video and take a look at it. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please like the video. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.